good evening. I want to show you right quick a really simple, easy corn casserole. Most of you probably have done these many times, and you may already know how to do it. And you probably already have everything planned out for Thanksgiving tomorrow. However, let me see what this is saying right quick. Oh, okay. Well, I did not put that on there. It's got where it pops up when I do live, so about the stars, but that's not how, I didn't put it up there. But anyway, I was wondering why it had my name. I, believe it or not, I have never made a corn casserole before. My daughter and some of my in-laws and some, they cook some different corn dishes when we have get-togethers, and so I've just never made one. So we're going to do it right quick, and I'm going to show you the finished result because I just made my first one a little while ago. It's real simple. 1 box of Jiffy corn mix. I mean, we're talking 50-something cents today at Walmart, so it's not expensive. I've already cut the tab. You're just going to mix the stuff together. You're going to put 2 cans of corn. One is the whole kernel corn, and one is the cream style. So the cream style, of course, you don't drain it. And this can is bent, so it's a little bit hard for me to get it out of here. Let me take this other spoon. I actually brought it in here for this. I hope everyone has a wonderful Thanksgiving tomorrow and get to be with your family, even if it's just your immediate family. I hope you get to be with someone and enjoy the day, all right? And then you take the whole kernel corn and drain it, and I've already drained it right here. Save time on the video. This is not going to take long. I can be through with it in no time because I know you're probably cleaning and cooking for tomorrow. Okay, a half a stick of margarine, or well, it said a half a stick of butter. And I actually do have butter this time, but my point is it did not say melted. If it wanted me too bad enough, I assumed it would have said melted. However, that don't mean you can't melt it. I did not melt it on this one I'm going to show you. I did melt it almost all the way on this one because I feel like it'll stir up a little better. So whether you melt it or don't, it didn't say which way. And then you use 8 ounces of sour cream. Since I made 2 of them, I bought a 16 ounce and I'm putting the rest in here. So instead of buying 2 8 ounces, it was cheaper, to buy the 16 ounce and just put half it up. So I just measured out a cup in the other one, and I'm using the rest for this one. And then on the cheese, believe it or not, it did not tell an amount. It said on the cheese, it said there's no limit on the cheese. So I put probably about a cup in my other one, and I'm going to do the same in this one. You could put more if you love cheese, and I do love cheese, but my husband's not that much of a cheese lover, so I only put about a cup. And you're going to bake this on 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. And then you're going to take it out, put more cheese on top, ever how much you want, put it back in the oven, let it melt. All right, so we're going to mix this up, and now that's all we're going to do, and put it in the container. But, so I'm going to see if I can get this mixed up, and I'm going to show you the one then that I have, that I've already made. I'm actually going to taste it. And by the way, Sunday, this past Sunday, if you haven't seen it, you can scroll back down my page and look. But it was the first time I had ever made a poke cake, and I made a coconut poke cake. And it was real simple. I had somebody call me yesterday asking me about which the 2 ingredients to go on top. They was in the store going to try and get some stuff to try. But I did take the first one I made, I did take it to church Sunday for a Thanksgiving meal at church, and several liked it, but I had one guy that came up to me, and he said that it was the best he had ever eaten of coconut cake he had ever eaten, other than his aunt, which has been dead a long time. But he said other than that, it was the best one he'd ever eat. And if I didn't want it I didn't want it, he'd be glad to take it. So I actually sent it home with him because I said, I've got another one. I said, I'll keep a couple of pieces, but I said, I've actually got another one in the fridge. So, yes, and if you will, all right, so see how this is looking? And if you will, I don't usually even mention it. I don't even think to mention it, but if you will, share this video here so others can see this. If it's, you know, like I said, everybody may already know how to do one of these. But in case there's someone that hadn't, there's usually always somebody that has it. Now let me show you this other one that I already made. I may have to go get a pot holder, and I will. Hold on a second. Because I definitely don't want to burn myself. Okay. So this is the one that I already made a little bit ago. See if you can see it. And I'm going to take a taste. Let me get a fork. And I feel sure I like it because I've eaten corn casserole before. I've just never made one. And also, I love anything cheesy. And I like corn fine. So I feel like I'm going to like it. But I got to make sure it's not too hot for me to taste it. So make sure it's cool there. And like I said, we're about through, but there it is, and I think it's going to be really good, and it makes a big old 9 to 13 pan of it. Hot. It's very hot. Not. It's not hot spice-wise, but I should have let it cool. So I couldn't even hold it, but it's very good. But I couldn't tell you because it is stove hot. I literally had just taken it up when I started the video. So if you haven't, by any chance, grabbed all your stuff for Thanksgiving and you're in the store tonight hunting, all you need is a package of this, 1 can of cream of corn. You may already have it home, and the whole kernel, 8 ounces of sour cream, and 1/2 a stick of butter. And cheese. So you may even already have all the ingredients at home. And if you don't get a chance to try it for Thanksgiving, try it soon and see if you like it. And don't forget, if you will, to share and comment and let me know what you think about it, and share this video. And I hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving tomorrow, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.